Hi, I'm Rick with the Plumbers Plumber. Today we're going to get out a commercial restaurant. What we have is a grease trap down here to my left. This is a grease trap. Everything from inside the building, kitchen lines, come out into this. And that's where it gathers the grease and the soaps and the detergents. And it comes out. And then that's what they have pumped periodically on a generally a monthly or bi-monthly basis. What we're going to do is jet this line and clean all the lines from the kitchen out to this. Okay, now what you see right here is this is called a jet hose. It's powered by the power supply is a 60 horsepower Honda engine. And what that does is it puts out the water pressure at a 4,000 psi pressure rating. What we're going to do is clean the grease, the sludge, the slime that's built up inside the grease line. Bend back. Did you reach for drain? First we vacuum them, then we use this little hose right here, and it's able to do the floor drains in the kitchen. First we vacuum them, then we clean them. Hi, I'm Rick again with the Plumbers Plumber. One thing I forgot to mention is that before we leave every job when we clean a drain line is we include this drain force concentrated liquid bacteria drain treatment, which is meant to keep clean drains flowing.